Welcome to the Mindful Movement. I'm Sara Raymond, and I imagine you're coming to me in the middle of your workday looking for some stress relieving practices or to get rid of your aches and pains, and that's exactly what I'm here to offer you. So this will be a very quick and simple routine that you can do in the middle of your workday. And what I found is that this short movement practice allows me to go back to what I'm doing in front of the computer or working with clients and be more productive and more present. So I hope that you will find this valuable. Let's get started. So I imagine you're sitting in a chair and you're maybe in front of your computer desk, and we're going to start there, come up to standing. And then if you have a little extra space, I'll give you some bonus exercises that you can do on the floor. So we'll get started. Come to the front edge of your chair. Sit up nice and tall, feet grounded. And then we'll start to just breathe. Maybe you want to close your eyes and let your breath bring you into the present moment. Notice your inhale. Notice your exhale. Allow your breath to soften any tense or tight areas in your body. And as we begin to add some movement, let your breath continue to be full and fluid. If you do find yourself holding your breath, stop what you're doing, come back to your breath, and then continue on. Feel free to keep your eyes closed or blink them open. We'll start with a gentle twist. So taking your left hand to the outside of your right leg or the chair arm and your right hand behind you. Sit up nice and tall and gently twist. You can let your shoulders turn, your neck, and then eventually your head, if it's comfortable, will go too. And even farther than your spine, see if you can look over your shoulder with your eyes. And then come back to center, and we'll do the same on the other side. So right hand to the outside of your left leg or chair arm, lift tall, and then think of turning from your ribs, your shoulders, your neck, your head, and then additionally your eyes, really looking over your shoulder. And come back to center, and then we'll side bend. So you can reach down through your right arm, lift your left arm, get really tall, and side bend to the right. Breath in and out. And then same thing to the other side. Lift and bend. So easy in the neck and shoulders. Breathe in, breathe out. And then taking your arm down. We'll take our arms behind us. So you might grab onto the back of your chair or just the seat of your chair, or you might even interlace your hands behind you. See what feels comfortable. And then you'll begin to arch your chest forward. Maybe your chin comes up, maybe your eyes follow. And again, breath in here and out. And then coming back to center, take your hands on the front of your knees, and then we're going to round the back. So you're tucking the pelvis, tucking your chin. Think of holding onto your knees, or if you can't quite hold your knees, you might grab the desk, and you're pulling your upper back away from your hands so that maybe your shoulder blades or your upper back widens and stretches a little bit. And then coming back up tall. And now we'll move the chair out of the way and come into some standing stretches. So just standing up nice and tall, reaching your feet down, lift your arms, and then you can either interlace your hands and turn your palms up or just reach your arms up. And then a nice big arch here. Breath in and out. releasing your arms down. Again, we'll side bend. So lifting your left arm, reach down with your right and side bend. And now with this, now that you're standing, you might incorporate the hips shifting over to your left as well. So get a little deeper side bend if you care for that. And then back up. Lift your right arm, reach down through your left, and side bend, adding the hips shifting to your right or not, your choice. And then coming back to center. Now I'll show you two different ways to stretch the front of your hips and thighs. You can choose which one you like. So the first would be maybe holding onto a wall or the back of your chair, and then you'll grab one foot, ankle, even a pant leg will do. And then start to bring your heel towards your butt. But the important part here to really access the hip is that you gently tuck your tailbone under. So we want to be careful not to be leaning forward. But think of the front of the hip crease where what's always bent when we're sitting. That is where we're aiming to stretch the front of that hip. And then again, breath in. And then we'll switch sides. So grabbing foot, ankle, pant leg, whatever you can reach. And then again, once you bring your heel towards your butt, gently tuck your tailbone under, and you'll feel maybe the front of the hip opening a little bit more. Find that tall posture and breathing. There. And then if you have some space on your floor to do a few stretches, we'll come down onto the floor to do that. So we'll come down onto our knees, and then we're going to go for that same hip area, just a slightly different position. So if you take your right foot forward, you're kneeling on your left knee, begin to bring your hips a little forward, and then again gently tuck the tail, just like we did standing. You're welcome to hold on to your chair again, or if you have a wall handy. So lengthen the tailbone down, and then keeping the front of your left hip open, start to shift your weight forward. Now remember, you want to be able to breathe fluidly here. You can stick with this, or we can add a side bend. So you lift your left arm up, maybe find a little bit of a lift of your breastbone or your chest, and then side bend to your right. And then we'll come back to center, and then do the same on the other side. So left foot forward, right knee back, lengthen the tailbone down a little bit. You might even encourage your abdominals to pull up and in to support that. And then keeping the front of your right hip open, taking your weight forward a little bit. If you feel like your back starts to arch here, you might have to back off a little. So remember, the focus is on the front of the hip, not the back. So either staying here or adding the side bend. Lift your right arm, your chest lifts, and then side bend to your left. Back to center. And then the last stretch I have for you today, if you have the space again, is to lay down on the floor on your belly. So we'll come down all the way. You'll be propped up onto your elbows, approximately under your shoulders. If this feels like it's too much of a back bend, then you can always take your elbows a little bit wider. Or for some folks, just laying on your belly, period, will be a nice opening for the front of the body. So remember to do what feels best for your body today. Okay, so if you're up on the elbows with me, press down into the floor to grow a little taller away from the floor. Pull your chest forward, draw your shoulders down. And then you're really just breathing here. Breathing into the front of your belly. Let the breath open the front of your body, which tends to be kind of curved forward or slumped in posture when we sit at a desk for a long period of time. We don't even realize it's happening when we start to jet our head forward and look at the computer screen, and then we start to feel not so comfy. Okay, so you can stay here, or you can add a little bit more opening through the front of the body. So you would just bend one knee and then straighten. Nice and gentle, not a lot of effort. And then the last addition here, if you are comfortable with it, is to bend one knee, and then you're turning and looking over the opposite shoulder, but try not to sag down. And then you straighten your leg and come to center. Bend and look over your opposite shoulder. And then once you've done a few of those, you can come down and just rest one hand over the other, and either your cheek or your forehead on the mat. And just taking maybe 2 to 3, 4 breaths, checking in and noticing the state, well, your state of being. Maybe notice the shift from when you first stepped away from your workstation to now. And then after a few breaths, you can press yourself up into a child's pose position, knees together or apart. Or you can come back into your chair, onto your chair, and round yourself forward. And then straighten the spine back up. Take a nice deep breath and let it out. And now you are ready to get back to work and be extra productive. I hope you found that helpful. I'll also link to another video with a little bit more time, or a little lengthier practice if you have a little extra time. Hope you have a great day. Thanks.